Like I said earlier, they are compact, then they give spaces on the side. We have Mbokazi playing as a left center back. So what happened here? Watch Switzerland. They switched the ball to where? To the just because the team the first goal that they conceded. Bait, eish, thina manje bazophasa uSithole bese siyaxakeka. Bayenzani? They go around. They like to press. They press on the right hand side. Bayilwini ibhola. 90% of the time, the ball will always go to number 10. This team, be alert. We need to be alert. Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Bafana Bafana is playing Canada on Sunday. I did this video yesterday, guys, but by blocking FIFA and YouTube, they are very strict. So if you see any editing, video which just know it's FIFA, not me. So I'm going to be showing you information in Canada, and their strength and their weakness. I'm going to show you they are smart guy, right? They are dangerous player. Fortunately for us, we were totally injured. Now, let's start. They play a 4-4-2 formation. It's a team that's very strong. They are very compact. But just because you are compact does not mean that penetrate. I'll show you later on. They like to press up high. These are the four guys in the middle field. So when we get the ball on the sides, when we get the ball, go right back and go left back, we need to trap the ball, let's say, because they always give space on the side. So this guy, look what he does. Instead of putting a trap in one motion, he goes backwards. When he goes, a mover, goes to the other side, bayaba presser. This team is very good when it comes to pressing. Nakia, one thing that we must always do, we must always play the ball in the middle as bait, right? Hey, guy was fouled. If we do that, when we trap the ball, our fullbacks never trap the ball, no, he merely pay. Trap the ball in motion, then we go forward. So in this game, they played against Switzerland, right? And Switzerland is stronger than us. Maybe we will respect, but I don't think Uguti will change their structure. They are very good in being compact here. Like I said earlier, they are compact, then they give spaces on the side. We have Mbokazi playing as a left center back. So what happened here? Watch Switzerland. They switched the ball to where? To the right hand side. Switch the ball to the right hand side. So Canada comes back and defend. So you know me, I like having wingers that tuck in and play as a half 10. But now it's a good thing that we have Umasego on the right hand side. If they give us space, if they give space on the sides, then we can always have diagonal passes on the left hand side to Umasego. I'm not sure if on the right hand on our left winger they are going to play Uapolis or Umurem, right? I would still say Uapolis Azad. I'll tell you why I say that. Your strength can also become a weakness. They like to press. Laba 5. Nangumunyu 6 sharp. Like I said, play the ball parak nindao. Bait. Bayaba bait. Right? Bait again. The ball goes to the left hand side. It goes to the left hand side. Now, this guy is a left back. This guy is the right back. And you must never have that happening in a game, because if the right back goes ayomaka left back, it means now we are outnumbered at the back. La should have scored. Bekumele baba punish. And let me take it back and show you what really happened here. Now, you see this right back is picking up here. So there's no need for him to go and press there. There's no need, because the moment you go and press lapaya, it means now everyone needs to shift. Even the left back needs to shift to the striker. If anyone is late, we are going to be in trouble. And then in, because he is late, he is in the wrong position. He's in the wrong side. Right? The left back was this side. Because he was late, but it all started because of the pressing. Right? Sometimes there's no need to see press. That's one of their weakness. Their strength is their weakness at the same time. Just because a team is compact, does not mean just call breaker. Fortunately for Bonala, right? Their winger is right-footed, not really good in using his left foot. They are not really creative. At least Holland is much better. They can break through. I'm sakulumige with those big teams. There's three ways to break down a team. It's either pakat kwabo, around them, or over them. Both of their goals, right? Both of the goals that they conceded was around and over. I'm just gonna show you the first goal that they conceded. Bait, thina manje bazophasa uSithole bese siyaxakeka. Bayenzani? They go around. There's three ways. It's either ungena phakathi, you go around, or you go over. And their center backs as well, abana speed. And their center backs abana speed. This guy is what? Usele I1. What did they do? Remember the previous clip. Bayenzeni, bangene phakathi nendawo. Bangene phakathi nendawo, they almost scored. In this goal, bayenzani, beza around. They want to give you space on the outside. So it is the best chances that probably Esizo Watola is if we go around there. Remember what I said, Guti, one of their strengths is to press. And let me show you why they like to press up high. When you press up high, remember if you win the ball, press it up higher. We are close to Emapali. Watch what happens here. By a presser, they go on the attack. They'll always try and pass this guy, number 10. They'll always pass to number 10 wabo, because number 10 wabo is their smartest guy. So in this game, I think he's going to be the most dangerous player, right, for ball. So now, how these guys lost the ball? Instead of playing 1-2, Funugul trap, well, he played 1-2, this guy. Ipola lieza, uyal trap. He played it first time. 1, and 1, 2, siyapuma. Because there's a winger here. This guy is a right back. There's a winger on this side. You play 1-2, but ufuna ukwenzani? Tafuna ukultrappa bayalithatha. Number 10 wabo plays for Juventus. He is going to be the dangerous guy in our game. He's a smart guy, but remember what I said, Guti. Their dangerous player, Utwele injured, is out for the rest of the World Cup. I've shown you their weakness. Now let me show you their strength. And they like to press. They press on the right hand side. While we in the ball, 90% of the time, the ball will always go to number 10. 90% of the time. If they attack, and number 10, uzolithinta, most of the time, they always look for him. I don't know ukuthi uMessi wabo or not. But then you have Uskakaka. Skakaka guy, he train. He's not really good. Right? This team They remind me of our North African teams where they have the big striker. And then if you remember, Abo Zamalek, when they had Abo Shikapala, Alahi had with that guy, number 10, Abu Trek, right? They always have that number 10 Yana Osman. They remind me of those teams. Nakia, 90% of the time the ball will come to number 10. So if they break us, especially if they break us in the middle, someone needs to be close to number 10. I mean, if they win the ball in the middle, let's say by Almaga, someone needs to be close to number 10. Because this guy is very smart. When Zanilana passes the ball, like I said, they are wingers. Hey, are we my winger wabo man? If you when they mention in Canada, you always think of athletics, Yes, they are those type of players, especially their wingers. They're not really skillful in but they use speed a lot. Another thing that they like to do, they like to play the ball through the channels. Nyamazu Kevin Hunt, play the ball through the channel. Play the ball through the channel. I'm gonna show you their goal. Their goal, they played the ball through the channel. So in this case, Pahiza, Abeko that delicious, guys. They are not that delicious. I'm gonna show you how they scored their goal. They played the ball through the channel. So we need to be alert as well. They always try to look for number 10, guys. Number 10 is very smart. Number 10 is very smart. So he will move around there. He will move around into these spaces. They always look for him. Bafuna bani number 10. Yenzani Switzerland la ikhahleli ibhola phambili. Angithi just watch again. They always look for number 10. Number 10 wabo is very, very smart. You don't play for Juventus if you are not a good player. Ball is gonna come back to the left-hand side. Yeah, this is what they want to do. They want to go that side. Papasabani, number 10, Ishumi. You must always respect the guy of number 10. In this case, defender blocks the ball. I repeat, guys, whenever we lose the ball, there must always be someone close to number 10. And we are this and that, but I think he needs to play just to be around number 10. Or I don't know, or maybe Bogas. Don't forget, guys, if you see any editing, just know if FIFA is busy. Now let me show you their code. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe, like, and share. Play through the channel. People through the channel. Trap. This was actually a beautiful move. Beautiful first touch, second touch, crosser. The finishing was good. So we need to be careful. If we're gonna play a low block or whatever, or mid block, we need to be careful of them passing the ball through the channel, because they can play it on the left hand side and also they can play it on the right hand side. When we played against Czech, the goal that we conceded was via a long throw, right? Everyone knew, or most people knew, with throw in. Even this team, the number 2 guys, we need to be careful. We need to be alert. I don't know robala. Kari knockout. I don't know robala mona man. Final clip besenya eval. I don't know robala, guys. This team, I don't know robala. This is what they want. I think they have 2 igakaka man. Nyazazi igakaka bafiki. We need to be careful. We need to be alert. Don't make silly free kicks, silly throw-ins, none, because they are going to hurt us. They are going to hurt us and the Suzuka, right? And as full color, as full buya manj. Now, please like, please share, please subscribe. Ngiyabonga bafethu, thank you for watching. Yeah, I know ukuthi lento yama-cut and what it's irritating, nami iyangibhora bafethu, but ngiyabonga, thank you for watching.